Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Yojna Kumawat, lecturer in chemical engineering of KK Polytechnic Nashik. Today I am going to discuss environmental audit, this topic with you. This comes under the subject environmental technology of third year diploma in chemical engineering. Environmental audit is a management tool comprising a systematic, documented, and periodic and objective evaluation of how well environmental organization, management, and equipment are performing with the aim of helping to regulate the environment by facilitating the management control of environmental practices and assessing compliance with the company policies. In environmental audit process, detecting waste of resources and environmental damages that can be avoided in any productive activity becomes simpler. It is necessary to have environmental audit to ensure sustainable industrial development. Objective of the environmental audit are: it enhances the industry's environmental performance. It also helpful for evaluating the company at national and international level. This suggests for using alternative energy sources for the conservation of energy resources. Because of environmental audit, we can classify the categories of solid waste, hazardous waste, and their sources, quantities, and characteristics. Also, we can evaluate the wastewater quality and determination of wastewater characteristic and their effects on living system. This environmental audit helps in minimizing the waste through modern cleaner technology, and it also helps to maintain labor or occupational health and compliance status. Environmental auditing works in various areas of company, but the principal areas of environmental auditing are material audit, energy audit, water audit, health and safety audit, environmental quality audit, waste audit, engineering audit, and the compliance audit. Procedure of environmental audit is: the environmental audit generally covers three main phases, namely collection of information. After the collection of information, we evaluate this information, and finally formulation of conclusion from this collected information. A team expert of environmental audit assists officials generally completes the site assignment, gathering all required data, analyzing that data, draw the conclusions regarding status of the industry facility, and make reports of the conclusion. Environmental audit is divided into the three phases. First phase is pre-audit activities. Second phase is activities on the sites, and the third phase is post-audit activities. In pre-audit activities, data collection takes place. Also, objective of audit is defined in this stage. Also, the scope of audit is also defined. Then in this stage, the criteria is also chosen uh, on which area audit should be done. The team member required for the audit is also selected in this stage. Development of audit plan and protocols is done in this stage, and address on site on which the environmental audit can be done is fixed in this stage 1. In stage 2, opening conferences takes place, facility tour is decided, and after that the inspection on that site or on that facility takes place. Evidences are collected in this stage, then the records or documents are reviewed in this stage. Also, the interviews of different staffs can be done in this stage, and the initial reviews of findings takes place in this stage, and finally the closing or the exit of conference takes place in this stage. After the collection of all these data, in stage 3, means in post audit activity, final evaluation of findings takes place, and from the all the data collected, drafting of preliminary audit report takes place, and after that the approval from the management is taken on this environmental audit report, and also the holding of exit conferences is also done in this stage, and the discussions on the recommendations which are given by the higher level management is completed in this stage, and finally the final submission report is completed in this stage. And sometime last stage is also considered, that is stage 4. In this stage, follow up or the review of the data submitted takes place. So in these three ways, that is pre-audit, on-site audit and the post-audit, total environmental audit takes place. Advantages of environmental auditing are: it assures the safety of plant, environment and human being. To prepare environmental management plan, from this we can identify the areas of strength and weaknesses of the company. We can evaluate the pollution control. Also the budgeting of various departments takes place in this audit, and from the data collected, reduction, reuse and recycle of some facilities can be done. Opportunity to give the credit for good environmental performance is also the main advantage of this environmental auditing. Enhancement of loss prevention, which comes under in this environmental audit, and also the enhancement of manpower development, enhancement of marketing. These are also the advantages of environmental auditing. Thank you friends for watching my video. I will meet soon with my new video. Thank you once again.